SIM Card Registration Act, otherwise known as Republic Act 11934, was signed by President Bongbong Marcos on October 2022. This requires all mobile users to register their SIM. This can be done on the telco's website with free of charge. For smooth process, I advise you to prepare a scanned copy of your valid ID and a recent selfie since this will be asked during the registration process. Valid ID could be one of the following. Step 1. Use any browser of your choice, then proceed to google.com. Type in the SIM card registration on the search box. Step 2. You will be presented with a series of steps on the registration process. For data privacy purposes, I have blurred some of the information in this video. Input your mobile number. Wait for the code on your mobile phone and input the code in the text box provided. On the next page, fill in the personal information as below. The next page will require you to input your personal home address. Fill in the information accordingly. Next, you are required to upload a scanned copy of your valid ID and a selfie for verification purposes. Choose the valid ID you have on the drop-down menu and upload the scanned copy you have prepared earlier. Click the upload button to browse the ID file. Next, click the upload button to browse your saved selfie. Once everything is correct, please click the next button and a thank you message will appear. And you will be receiving a text message similar to this. This will indicate your successful registration. And that's it. Thank you very much and I hope this video is helpful. See you next time.